As Parmesh assumes office as new Director General of India Coast Guard, as Parmesh officially took charge as the Director General of the Indian Coast Guard at its headquarters in New Delhi. His appointment comes following the tragic demise of his predecessor, DG Rakesh Pal. Last month, Parmesh, who had been officiating as the Director General, was formally appointed by the government a day prior. Union assuming office, he was honored with a Criminal Guard of Honor, a battalion with over three decades of service. With over 3 decades of dedicated services in the Indian Coast Guard, as Parmesh has made significant contributions in both command and staff roles. His leadership skills has been honed through commanding some of the most important vessels in the Coast Guard fleet, including the Advanced Patrol Vessel Vishwas. In addition to his time at sea, Parmesh has held key positions at the Coast Guard headquarters, where he served as Deputy Director, General Operations and Coastal Security, and Principal Director. His operational expertise is further underscored by his service as Chief Staff Officer at the Coast Guard Regional Headquarters, where he was responsible for overseeing key operation activities along India's eastern seaboard. Leadership role prior to DAG appointment. Before his appointment as Director General, Parmesh played pivotal roles in managing the operation of the Indian Coast Guard across both the eastern and western seaboard. He served as Commander of the Coast Guard Region East and Commander of the Coast Guard Region, where he oversaw complex operations and ensured the security of India's vast maritime boundaries. Between July 23, 2018 and August 7, 2023, Parmesh served as the Coast Guard Commander for the Eastern Seaboard, a role that was crucial for safeguarding India's strategic eastern coastline. His effective management of these regions earned him recognition for his leadership and open operational proficiency. Following his tenure as Coast Guard Commander, Parmesh was elevated to the position of Additional Director General of the Coast Guard before being officially appointed as the Director General. Education excellence, a foundation for strategic leadership. As Parmesh's distinguished career is supported by an impressive educational background, he is an alumnus the National Defence College (NDC) in New Delhi and the New Defence Services Staff College (DSSC) Wellington. His academic training has provided him with a solid foundation in both field operations and strategic planning, enhancing his ability to lead India's primary maritime security forces. Recognition and award honoring exemplary services throughout his illusions career, as Paramesh has been the recipient of numerous accolades and recognition. His services to the nation has been honored with the present Rakesh Tarshak Medal of Distinguished Service, one of the highest awards given to personnel of the Indian Coast Guard. Additionally, he has received the Tarak Medal for his outstanding contribution to maritime security. In recognition of his exemplary work, Parmesh was awarded the Director General Coast Guard Commendation in 2012, as well as the Volcanic East Commendation in 2009. These awards highlights with commitment to safeguarding India's maritime interests and his exceptional leadership skill throughout his tenure. Vision for the future. Strengthening maritime security. As the new Director General of the Indian Coast Guard, as Parmesh brings a wealth of experiences and a clear vision for the future of India's maritime security. His focus will be on modernizing the Coast Guard, enhancing maritime surveillance capabilities, emerging challenges in the region. Under his leadership, the India's Coast Guard is expected to continue playing a pivotal role in safeguarding India's extensive maritime boundaries, securing India's exclusive economic zone, and ensuring the safety of maritime trade routines. Additionally, Paramesh is like to focus on enhancing the search and rescue capabilities of the Coast Guard and furthering its role in environmental protection at sea.